In this video, we will monitor MongoDB using Relic On Host Integration. As always, for the most accurate instructions, user privileges, commands to run, please refer to the documentation. In this example, we will follow the instructions to monitor Mongo running on a CentOS machine. We enable the repo, install the integration, and follow the instructions to copy and edit the YAML file. Configure the hostname, the port, username and password, SSL settings, as well as filter the collections you want to monitor. Please remember to restart the New Relic infrastructure agent. You can also test the integration by running the executable. You can run the command with -h to see what settings are needed. We'll run a very simple test and get a result in a JSON format. We'll go back to the New Relic UI under Infrastructure, Third-Party Services, and click on the MongoDB dashboard. I hope you find this video useful. Thank you very much for your time.